Hello everyone and welcome to Highway Academy. The lesson of today is about adverbs of frequency. If you remember, we studied simple present, affirmative form, negative form, and interrogative form. This lesson is related to the simple present tense. I speak, you speak, he speaks, she speaks, it speaks, we speak, you speak, and they speak. Negative form, I don't speak, you don't speak, he doesn't speak, she doesn't speak, it doesn't speak, we don't speak, you don't speak, and they don't speak. So this lesson is related to the simple present tense. When we are doing the exercises, don't forget to conjugate the verbs. I read a book every day. As you can see here, everything is in group. The adverb of frequency for every day is always, always. In French, toujours. Okay? So I always read a book, or I read a book every day. The second example, I play the saxophone. This musical instrument is called saxophone. Saxophone. And this musical instrument that we play like that. What do we call it? We call it the guitar and the violin, okay, and the piano. What about this musical instrument? We call it saxophone. So I play the saxophone 5 times a week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not Sunday. On Sunday I don't play the saxophone. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the adverb of frequency for 5 times a week? It's usually. In French, souvent. I usually play the saxophone. I ride my bike twice a week. Twice. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. I often ride my bike. I don't ride my bike every day. Remember, when we put here he or Ahmed or Ali or my brother, for example, if I say my brother, often we need to conjugate the verb. So we're not going to say my brother often ride. No, my brother often ride because he. Remember the rule? I play basketball once a week. So what is the adverb of frequency for once a week? It's sometimes, de temps en temps, sometimes. I go to the cinema once a month. It means one time a month. The 20th of every month, I go to the cinema with my friend. I rarely go to the cinema. I don't drink alcohol. I am a Muslim. I don't drink alcohol. So what is the adverb of frequency here? It's never. Never. I never drink alcohol. Here, we should remember this very well. That's the frequency for always. Usually, as you can see here, it's somehow 90%, and often, and sometimes, rarely, and never. The rule is subject plus adverb of frequency plus verb. Examples: I always listen to my parents. I, subject, always, adverb of frequency, listen, it's the verb. My teacher rarely speaks Arabic. Here we have S because my teacher refers to he, and he, third person singular, he plus verb plus S. There is one exception, it's sometimes. Sometimes it can come in the beginning. For example here, I sometimes listen to my parents, or sometimes I listen to my parents. Okay? There are exceptions for the verb to be. We will study them. Once a week, it means one time. Twice, 2 times. 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Let's do this exercise together. I ride my bike twice a week. So I always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, or never. Number 2, I walk my dog every day. What is the correct answer? Walk my dog. Walk the dog, walk the dog. Number 3, I play the saxophone 5 times a week. So what is the adverb of frequency here? I go to the cinema once a month. Which answer is correct? I don't drink alcohol. So which answer? I play basketball once a week. Thank you very much for your attention. Stay at home and stay safe. Your teacher, Mr. Idris, loves you. See you next class. Goodbye.
Staring at the bottom of your glass, hoping one day you'll make a dream last. But dreams come slow and they go so fast. You see it when you close your eyes. Maybe one day you'll understand why everything you touch surely dies.